Today's lecture topic is Young Brave Heart. Okay, so welcome students, welcome to our English lecture. Today we are going to learn about the very good experiences, very brave-hearting experiences about the children who are at your own age, but they done something for that. They are being appreciated, they are being having the courage to face the problems. So let us see what is in that. What is about the young brave heart. Okay. Now here the information is given regarding a girl. You can see the picture over here. The Prime Minister presented the 2013 National Bravery Award to 25 children. How many children? The 25 children were awarded with the National Bravery Award in 2013. And who presented that award? The award was presented by the Prime Minister. What? The award was presented by the Prime Minister on 2013 and it was given to the 25 children. Okay. On Friday, 24 January 2014, the award was presented for 2013, but it was given in the year 2014. The date was, it was a Friday, and 24th January 2014, 2 days before the Republic Day. We know that on 26th of January we have our Republic Day. So on before that day, before 2 days of Republic, what the Prime Minister awarded the children for their bravery. Among these 25 children, okay, all students were 25 students were children were there, and from that 25, 9 are girls. Okay, how many? 9 are girls. The 9 girls have done the were given the National Bravery Award. The Bharat Award, okay, the Bharat Award was conferred upon 8.5 years old Mahika Gupta from Delhi. Mahika Gupta was belonging to Delhi and she was 8.5 years old. How much? She is just an 8.5 years old. That means as compared to you, she is your age only. She must be in the third or fourth. So she was awarded by the Bharat Award for her bravery. In that, Prime Minister gave her a special award, that is the Bharat Award. What was the name of that girl? The name of that girl was Mahika Gupta. She was from Delhi. Okay, so Prime Minister, see that the Prime Minister presented the award for 2013 National Bravery Award. And when it was given on 24th January 2014. Okay, just 2 days before the Republic Day. 25 students were given award, okay, for the national bravery. They have given 25 children were given award, and among all that, 9 were the girls, and a very special girl mentioned over here. She is very special. She done something. We are going to see what she have done. What she have done is she just she was just in half an 8 years and half. Okay, half years old, and she was awarded by the Bharat Award. What? She was awarded by the Bharat Award. Let us see what was she done. Let us see the incident which happened with the Mahika Gupta. Now she is from the Delhi, but on June 16, 2013, Mahika Gupta was in Kedarnath. You know that people go to Kedarnath to worship the god Shiva. So Mahika Gupta was also with her family. She gone to visit Kedarnath. When she was there, she was in June 16, 2013. So when she was there, one incident was happened. A natural calamity struck over there. That is, suddenly the flash floods struck. Okay. So when Mahika Gupta was in the Kedarnath, the flood was came. The area was filled with muddy flood water. You can see that everywhere there was a muddy water. You, we all have seen how the flood is. Everywhere do we have the muddy water. It's not a clean water. The rainwater which comes and absorbs with the uh, uh, in the soil, and when the water does not get the outlet to just pass it away, the water stuck there. We may have observed that in the Badlapur last year. That flood came and everywhere the water was full. So this is the incident which happened in the Kedarnath. And at that time, Mahika Gupta was there. Mahika could not see her parents or relatives. You know that whenever the flood comes, it does have the force. The water always comes with the force. Okay. So when the flood came, because of that force, everyone was scattered. Everyone was not in their own place. They all just have to rush off. So because of this, the Mahika's parents were somewhere else. They and her whatever relatives were with her, everyone was just scattered. Everyone was just uh, trying to save their own life. They were just trying to survive in that water. They were just trying to see where they can just find a help. So Mahika and her family and the relatives, everyone was scattered. And there was an incident that her 4 years old brother, her younger brother, that is 4 years old, she heard the voice. Her brother was crying loudly. She heard the voice of her brother, and Mahika did not know how to swim. Can you see that? That Mahika, she just heard the voice of her brother, that she got the senses that her brother is in danger. He needs the help. He is just 4 years old and he cannot survive in the flood water. He needs the urgent help. So Mahika did not know how to swim. You know that swimming is a very good or a very challenging task for all of us. We just have to swim in the water. Many of us cannot walk on the road just, and we have to swim in the water. See that. So Mahika Gupta did not know how to swim. She was hit with the stones carried by waters. You know that whenever the flood water comes, we have the stones, we have buildings, we have vehicles on the road, and everything was there in that water. So whenever she tries to swim over there, she tried to reach the her brother. She was just hit with the stones. But okay, you can imagine how much she was injured with that. The force of the water and the stones were there in that, and everything which was just out of control. But bravely, the quality of her is she was very brave. At that situation, she was not thinking about her own life. She just want to save the brother. She just want to help that boy. So what she done, she bravely waded out till she found her brother. She just started searching for her brother, and she waded out till she found her brother and dragged him to safety. What she done, she just like that, she started searching the brother, and when she found that, she dragged him to the safety wherever there is a place or the big stones or the place where she can be safe. She reached or dragged the brother over there. Okay, so there is she held on tightly to her brother for hours. What she done, when she reached the safe place, there was also the water, but what she did, she just hold her brother tightly and waited for the help. And for hours and hours, she was waiting for the help. She saved the life of the brother from the water, but now she needs the help. She cannot be there for a long time. So for the hours, she just hold the brother tightly. When she saw a light, you can imagine that when the water is there, the soldiers, the brave people, the person who have the facility, they just started helping the people, those who are stuck in the water. So when the light was there, she came to know that there is a help for us. She waved for help. After that, they were both rescued. They both were rescued from that. With her determination and presence of mind, she saved her own life and that of her brother. Both of them were saved because what? Because of the bravery of Mahika. Mahika did not scared of that situation. She just don't know how to swim. But then also the intention or the aim of Mahika's was to save the brother. And for saving the life of the brother, what she did, she just uh, jumped in that water, in that floody, muddy water, and she searched the brother. She can just follow the voice, and with the help of that, what she did, she saved the life of that brother, and she waited for hours, and she holded that brother tightly on a safety place. Whenever their help was there, she saw the light, she just waved her hand and she was rescued. And because of her braveness, because of her presence of mind and the determination to save the brother, okay, what she did, she saved the both of the lives, her own as well as the brother's life. What is mean by determination? Determination means doing something with the full power, full intention. I want to do this, that means I am going to determine or I'm going to just do that thing. That is called the determination. Presence of mind, within a second we take a right decision. That is called our presence of mind. Okay. So she saved her life as well as her brother's life also. This is Mahika Gupta. You can see Mahika Gupta National Bravery Award was given in 2014. The award name was National Bravery, given in the year 2014. Award for civilians. Okay, you can see her medal. This is the medal given by Prime Minister. Okay. So, I'll give you one of the similar example where there was not a children's, but the movie which you can compare with the Kedarnath movie is there. That was the situation, that is the situation shown when the Mahika Gupta was there. At that time in Kedarnath, flood was there. It was apart from this, apart from Mahika Gupta's story, what did the story, they have shown something else. But the flood was at that time. You can see the scenario, the floody water, the stones, how did the hero was trying to save the life, how did he reach the temple, everything, how did he use his presence of mind, everything in the Kedarnath situation was shown. You just have to imagine that a small girl, instead of that, how can a small girl, the 8.5 years old, she survived in that kind of water? Imagine, it's just an unbelievable task. Just an our determination. We have to do this. I have to save my brother. My brother needs me. That kind of feeling gave her the power, gave her the um, just courage to do that. That is called the bravery. And for that, Mahika Gupta was awarded. She just not done everything for intentionally, but at that situation, his brother was indeed need in his help. So he did. Mahika Gupta, without any thinking, without any fear, she saved the life. Okay, this is the story. So bravery is in doing the right things even when one is afraid. As we have seen the Mahika's example, if your bravery is there in your own, everyone is brave, everyone is having the courage, but the right time to show that is whenever there is you are afraid, whenever you have the scare, but then also you have to, without any thinking, without any intention, what you do for the betterment, for the good things, you do that things. That is called your bravery. So just do, just think of doing good things. Okay, we become just by performing we become just by performing just actions. We become brave by performing brave action. Okay, whatever do, these are all are the actions. We think of that and we do, we perform that. For example, uh, many of the students, they are just whatever they do, they comes to the teacher, they share their experience, they are free to tell, they just free to face the mic also. Many of the students, what they do, in our school we have morning prayer, they can hold the mic very confidently, they just performs. But some of the students, they get scared of that, they don't have that much courage. Yes, so when you think of that, yes, I can do this, and with this thinking, whenever you perform, that is called the brave actions. These all are your brave actions. Okay, now there is a second incident shown over here. uh, the Mahikavs was done. Now the second, Shubham Santosh Chaudhary, the boy from Maharashtra, has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. We have seen the bravery of Mahika Gupta. We have seen her courage. Let us see what the Shubham Santosh Chaudhary, Shubham Chaudhary have done, and why did he given the award called Sanjay Chopra Award. He was on his way back from school. Okay, he was going home from the school. His school was over, and the date was 11th August 2020. When it was 11th of August 2012, in that, when the Shubham was going back to his school, his house, he saw that a van had burst into flames on the national highway. Okay, what did? The van was burst into the fire. It was flaming on the national highway. A crowd gathered, but they were watching helplessly. You can see the people, those who something happens, they just gathered in that place and they want to watch that. They some nowadays, what do we experience? People start taking the videos. People do not help that man, whatever needs the help, but they makes the video. But instead of making this kind of videos, what do we have to do? We have to help them. That is called the good things, what good deed of ours. But when the the van was burst into that flame on the national highway, the crowd was just watching helplessly. They are not doing nothing. They are not helping the people. They are not rescuing the people, those who are stuck in that van. But as a child, as a school student, what he did, Shubham rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door. Okay, what did he done? The first activity was he just rushed to that van and he tried to open the door. But the handle was too hot to hold. You can see with the flame, everything gets hot, and you know that iron gets hot quickly, but the handle was too hot to hold. The Shubham cannot hold that. Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. What he did, he just broke the window. You can imagine many of the movies, many of the uh, twists which we have seen in the movies. You can imagine that this situation, a small boy, a student who was passing by the road, he saw the van burst into the fire. He started helping the people, those who have stuck. And what did he done? He just broke the uh, open. He just broke the that frame and he opened the that door. The window was broke and he unlocked the door. There were two girls in the van. How many? The two girls were there in the van. He pulled them out of the burning van and saved their lives. Only two girls were there in that van and he was saved them. He pulled them out of that burning van and saved their lives. You can see, we just have to imagine a small boy just doing all the other the rushed, or the crowd was gathered over there. But no one was helping to Shubham. He was the only boy who was, uh, he just helped that two girls. Okay. So here is the example of Shubham. I'll give you the Shubham Santosh Chaudhary National Bravery Award given in the 2014. The location when he was given the award was Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. He belongs to Maharashtra, okay. And this was the award given by the given to Shubham. And who gave this award? Prime Minister awarded him. Okay. So the National Bravery Award was given to Shubham Chaudhary. Every year, national, as I've told you, in 2014 also it was given. So every year, National Bravery Award is given to children, young children, for their outstanding deeds of bravery. These children present inspiring examples for other children. Yes, this gives the inspiration. We cannot help the friend who just fall on the road. How did these two boys or the girls, this girl and the boy, how did they help them? You just have to imagine, and got the inspiration that whenever I saw someone needs my help, someone is in a great need, what do? We just try to help them. Do we fear? Do we have the scare? But then also their life is important for all of us, and we don't have to do happen something bad in front of our eyes. So what is the inspiration given by the Mahika as well as Shubha? That in any situation, use your presence of mind, use your courage, bravery, and save the lives of others. You can read about their acts of courage in the newspaper or on the internet. You will find the detailed information or detailed about the courage stories of these 25 children. As I have mentioned in the lesson, only two children or the two are mentioned in that. But if you want to know what are the others have done, what is the Mahika has done in the detail, you can search on the newspapers are also there, and the internets are also there. Okay. So what did the Nelson Mandela have said? The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Everyone have the fear, everyone have the something important in their life. I have to save this. So that feeling, that determination gives us the feeling of conquering the fear. What is mean by conquer? To win that. Okay. In any situation, I have to do, or I have to save my loved ones, or my the Indian people. So that is called the bravery. We have to conquer our fear. Okay. So these are the two students, Shubham and the Mahika, gave us the inspiration. Mahika saved the brother's life from the flood that happens in the Kedarnath, and Shubham, he just saved the life, two girls' life, when the fire was blaming in that van. Yes, these all, both of them are very inspirational for all of us, and we will take up oath that from today onwards, if someone needs my help, if someone is doing good things, I will, without any fear, without any feeling of afraid, I will conquer my fear. I will win over my fear. You know, there is a slogan called Dar ke aage jeete. So just do that. You have the fear. Everyone fears. डर सबको लगता है, but what we have to win that fear. Okay, that's the डर के आगे जीत होती है. So this is the slogan which we have to keep on our mind. But see that the need should be in a great. Don't just jump in the well. Don't just try to go and help them. Think positively. If someone is there to help them, think positively and just help the people, those who need. Okay, without any presence of mind. Don't just jump in that. Teacher told you that do the inspirational things, do the bravery. No, whenever there is a you can do that, then only. Okay, so think of that and you do it. Don't just make your life in a danger. Think of that and do. Without these all are the inspirational, they done it because they were in that situation. But without thinking, don't do this kind of things. Don't think that I am going to be awarded, I have to do that. No, see the scenario. If someone is there nowadays, you can have the calling, 100 numbers calling is there, the fire brigade calling is there, within a minute they reached over there. We have the ambulance number, so keep that numbers with you. Learn that, learn your family members number whenever you need in help. So use your presence of mind and help the peoples. Okay, don't just tell that the Mahika has done this so I can do. No, there needs the presence of mind. So I hope all of you must have understood this lesson. Okay, so young brave heart is an inspirational lesson for all of us. From today onward, if someone needs our help, what we are going to do, we are just going to help them. Okay. Hey, Baba, I have not enabled the setting. Now it is enabled.
Dhairya, parents, and many other relatives reached Kedarnath Valley of Uttarakhand. Family of 16 people had gone for a pilgrimage. Mahika was happy, excited, and full of fun, completely unaware of the extremely adverse time following her family. It was June 16th, 2013. Mahika, along with the family, was praying at Kedarnath temple. Suddenly, muddy water rushed inside the temple, separating all the family members from one another. It was the monsoon rains that flooded Uttarakhand. One could see along death and destruction all around. Amid chaos, Mahika heard cries for help of her 5-year-old younger brother. She did not know swimming. She felt the gushing muddy water entering her nose and mouth. But she pushed herself with all her might towards her brother. It was very tough situation. She was being hit by floating stones constantly. At last, she succeeded to catch her brother. She put one arm across his stomach and another on his face to stop water from entering his mouth. They kept floating for at least 2 hours in the water, as she did not know how to swim. On seeing a light, she started waving her hands for help. A person came towards to her rescue. He dragged both the children to safety. 3 days later, Mahika's mother traced them out. It seems there was no end to their misery. After spending days without food and water, They reached Delhi. The brave girl, when asked how she felt, she says, "One instant I was with my family praying at the Kedarnath temple, and the next, what all I could see was water. No family, no relatives, just lots of water. I saw my younger brother being swept away in the flood water. I could not resist myself. I had only one thought. I had to save my brother. I put all my energy to hold him close to me." Mahika was honored with National Bravery Award by the Government of India. The story of Mahika is a tragic one and yet inspiring.
Okay, have you seen this story?